Ma'am, thank you very much. Ang si Talia, look. Wow, very nice to your hair. Yes, two hits. Ang galing, oh. Wow, Talia, see? Ma'am, thank you very much. Okay, isang mother also is braiding the hair of Talia. Wow, okay, ang galing. Okay, 5 mothers na nag-assist sa akin ngayon para maayos sa makeup and hair and everything ni Talia. Thank you very much, parents.